Carefully unbox your machine, set it on a stable, level surface, and inspect it for damage. If you notice any damage, contact our team immediately. Store all packaging safely. You may need this for returns or repairs. Before introducing water to your machine, it's essential to test your water to ensure it's adequately soft to avoid scale buildup. Use the included water test strips to verify the hardness of your water. You're looking for a softness around 50 parts per million. Check the links below for more information on water quality, softening, and filtration. Remove the cup warming tray by lifting the cup railing. You can remove the reservoir using both hands or fill it with water from the top. At this time, fill the water tank with your filtered, softened water. Place the cup warming tray back on top of the machine. Plug in the machine and turn it on. The power button will illuminate green when powering on. The machine's fast heat up mode will now commence, accelerating the heating process and allowing you to pull shots at a stable temperature within around 11 to 13 minutes from a cold start. Place the portafilter into the group head to ensure maximum temperature stability. The brew boiler will overheat to 130 Celsius or 266 degrees Fahrenheit for about 4.5 to 5 minutes to stabilize the group head temperature more quickly. Once at temperature, a flush message will appear on the PID. Lift the brew lever to flush water through the group for 20 seconds to remove the overheated water. When flushing is complete, the PID will read, "Ready, go." The PID temperature will display your set brew temperature plus or minus a few degrees. You are now ready to make espresso. Note that if you do not initially flush the machine during fast heat up, after 60 seconds the machine will automatically heat down and come to your original set brew temperature. Fast heat up can be turned off in the advanced PID settings. To enter the PID menu, press and hold both buttons briefly. Use the down button to cycle through the menu options. To select a function, press the up key. Now you can use the up and down buttons to change the desired values. Please refer to the user manual for more information and instructions on PID settings and adjustments. Enter the PID menu and enable advanced user settings. Choose the tank mode option and switch to Plumb in mode. Locate the black ball valve switch near the rotary pump inlet and turn it to the on position. Attach the braided line to the pump inlet and prepare the connection to your water source. For more information on plumbing in your espresso machine, check out our recommendations for water quality and a setup video for our water filtration and softening system in the description below. After about 15 minutes, the drive steam boiler is pressurized and ready to steam milk and purge hot water. To activate the steam wand, move the joystick down until it clicks into place. You're now ready to steam milk. The drive comes with a pre-installed flow control device. If you want to operate the machine at the stock flow rate, move the paddle from its closed position with the pump running about 1¼ turns. Note that opening the flow control valve all the way or 2 full turns doubles the machine's flow rate, which we do not recommend. A playground of flavor awaits you when experimenting with flow control. Explore our overview video for a starter recipe. Now you're set up and ready to pull shots, steam milk, and experiment with the full potential of the Profitec drive. Check the links below for tips on pulling a great espresso shot and cleaning and caring for your machine. Enjoy taking your new machine for a drive.